Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the city creation. In this city creation, basically we are discussing about one topic, that is sand creation, which is basically the lava creation basically, and that is sand creation. In this basically we will be discussing then one topic, that is Oxford University groups equal to given 35 words to Microsoft. From this they achieved 3150 birth. Means one person can have this many they can have this many birth. So one body can have this many birth. So that basically word basically was given, that was 35 word basically. Oxford groups given 35 words to Microsoft. So this was given. One of the person, yes, basically it was given basically. From where it was given? So few people told that basically Oxford are connected with the Sanskrit group, and Sanskrit group basically are connected with the Bangalore city, and from Bangalore, one of the village, basically they given this set of 35 English words. But actually basically they have given some Sanskrit and Tamil words basically. From their Sanskrit and Tamil words basically they converted the words to English words, and they given basically 35 words basically. So like this they given 35 words to Microsoft. Target was what? Target of Microsoft was to create 1 lakh kilogram sand, that is lava. So this is the target basically. To fulfill that target basically, what to fulfill this target, these groups created what? They first created 1 2 3 3150 birth can happen from one body. Then basically they have given what? They have given around, they have created, means Microsoft created 1000 cities for this 3150 birth. Target is what? This target is this basically. Target here 1 kilogram sand basically. So to fulfill this target basically they created this many and in this 1000 cities they created around 10 crore human population, in which they were doing the process of Microsoft blood cells. So they were doing this basically. So just see, to create this many basically sand, target given by my Oxford group basically, and the target was basically what, 35 words, and 35 words contains what basically, assume basically that this contains around 350 characters, and this characters contains this is basically alpha character, assume basically, and design and some number. This is design in sky in universe basically, and in this around 3-5 crore planets are there. So just see, basically they have given 35. From this target is 1 lakh kilogram sand, and in this sand basically they got the target. To fulfill this target basically they have done this whole thing basically. So you can just imagine basically, rest of thing basically we are going to discuss. Basically they have created this whole thing basically. So like this basically they connected, they were handling around 1 lakh types of human souls, which is inside 1 crore 10 crore human population basically. Crore population. So just see basically. So just see basically. So like this basically things are available, and in this basically around one crore 100 crore trees, Microsoft trees basically. Microsoft trees were created. Around 1 lakh types of water also was created, and this was added in the main water formula. That means main water formula is also basically there. So water is basically from formula basically. So this comes to water formulas. So you can just imagine basically. So you can just imagine basically. So in the 7th number basically we are going to discuss in the next video basically, that is 1 lakh kilogram sand is the target of the Microsoft Corporation groups.